Hello UPSC aspirants, welcome to GetintoIAS. Today we are going to discuss about mathematical operations. This is one of the main chapter from the reasoning side. So here this topic will be consisting of patterns such as symbols and various patterns like that. It will be having different meanings and all. First of all, you must read the question properly and you must know what are the symbols and what are the actual meaning of those symbols. Then the next step, you will have to replace the meaning with these symbols, and as the final step, you will have to adopt the BODMAS or BODMAS principle to get the final result. So here one of such an example is given here. If plus means minus, multiplication means divided by, division means plus, and minus means multiplied by. So here the operations for particular symbols are given in the reversal order or in a particular manner. You will have to extract only the meaning of these operators and then which of the following will be the value of the expression which is given. Here it is given 252 into 9 minus 5 plus 32 divided by 92 is equal to what? Usually in case of a simplification problem, you will have to adopt the BODMAS, that is bracket, of or order, division, multiplication, addition and subtraction. According to that, first you are supposed to do this pattern, right? 32 divided by 92. After that, you will be focusing over here. In such a way, the process will be. But here, plus means minus. So, where you can see the plus, you want to do subtraction over here. Where you can see multiplication, you want to make division over here. After that, division means plus. Here you want to change this into addition, then you want to do the operation and so on. So let's solve how to make these into a particular answer among the option. Let's go. The first thing, you want to extract the symbols. What are the symbols given here? So the symbols in front of you are multiplication, which is given, subtraction, addition and division. Actually, these all are not operators, just symbols, right? Symbols I have written here. Then what is the proper meaning of these symbols? So let's check it in the question. Into means divided by. So for multiplication symbol, you want to do the division process. For subtraction, let's check. Subtraction means multiplied by. So for that, you want to do multiplication. For addition, what you want to do is plus means minus. So you want to do subtraction. Finally, for division, for this division, which means plus. So here plus symbol. So these are the basic things. Now you can replace the meaning with these operators. Let's do that. For into, I want to make division. So I have to divide. Afterward, for minus, I want to multiply. Yes. After that, for plus, I will have to subtract. At last, division is given. Division means plus. So simply I mark it as plus. Now you can do the actual operations as such. So first of all, you will have to replace the actual operators. Done. The second step is to adopt the BODMAS principle. BODMAS principle says, first of all, bracket afterwards of or order, then division, multiplication, addition and subtraction. In this order you want to solve the problem. So here first of all, division, because bracket of are not presented here. Starting with division, 252 divided by 9. What is it? How many times 9 is presented? We can say 2 times 9 is 18, 72, 8 times 9 is 72. So I got 28. Afterwards, what is the operation to be done? Next one is multiplication. So this multiplication, 28 into 5 is to be done. What is 28 into 5? First of all, you can multiply with 10. 280. Half of 280 is 140. So I have done up to this. Now the next one is minus 32 plus 92. You can follow the rule addition. For that, take 140 plus 92, then you can subtract minus 32, or else you can do the alternate way, that is, while taking the number, pick up with the sign before it. What is the preceding sign for 32? Take it as negative 32. Now nothing wrong to do subtraction or addition, whichever is convenient to you in your order. So I am going to take minus 32 with 92. See here, minus 32 plus 92. The result will be plus 60. So directly I have taken plus 60 for these terms. Here 140 plus 60, which is going to be 200, and that is my answer for this simplification. The first question in front of you is, in the following question, by using which mathematical operation will the expression become correct? The question in front of you is 36 question mark 12 question mark 18 question mark 54. It is given, that is, which is in an expression. In that expression, definitely it should have equal, which is also given in the option A, B, C and D. Every option is having equal at last, which means the third question marks, the actual value or operator want to be assigned for here is simply equal. So which means somewhat operations ought to be done on the left side and the final result on the right side is 54. In such a way the operation should be. In front of you, you are having 4 different options. Among that, you want to choose any one of the option. In such a way, you are getting 54 as your answer. Let's check the options one by one. So let's check the option one by one. Option A is given multiplication, division and equal. So we have confirmed all the options are given equal. Directly we have taken. Only you require to make first 2 operators alone. So option A, I can make multiplication over here. After the division is given. So directly I am taking division. According to the BODMAS rule, bracket which is not presented, off is not presented, division. So division after multiplication. So let's solve it first. What is 12 by 18? Which is 2 by 3. Afterwards 36 is given, no? So 36 into 2 by 3, whether it is equal to 54 or not. That is our work. So here we need to find whether this results in 54, means option A will be the correct one, or else option A would be the wrong. So let's check it out. So here 12 into 2, which is 24 on the left side, which is not equal to 54. So we can say option A is wrong. Second option, division, multiplication and equal. So second option I am taking, first division, then multiplication. According to the BODMAS rule, division is to be done first. So here what is 36 divided by 12, which is simply 3 times, right? So afterwards multiplying with 3 with 18, 3 into 18 exactly, which is 54, which is right. So my option B is the correct one. In the following question, correct the given equation by interchanging 2 numbers. So the equation in front of you is 8 into 3 divided by 4 plus 9 minus 5, which is equal to 16. The options given in front of you are A, 3 and 4, B, 4 and 8, C, 5 and 3 and D, 5 and 9. So which means interchanging of numbers means wherever 3 is presented, want to be substituted with 4, and wherever 4 is found, it should be substituted with 3, vice versa. That is the meaning of interchanging. So let me take here 4 and here 3 according to the option A to make the equation correct. So let me write down here 4. So let me rewrite the equation as such. So 8 into 4 divided by 3 plus 9 minus 5 is equal to 16 or not. We are going to check it now. First of all, you want to divide this part, that is 4 divided by 3. Why I have written so? Because 3 is not completely divisible in 4. I will be getting somewhat decimal value. Instead I have taken the fraction. Into 8 is given here. So 8 into 4 by 3 plus 9 minus 5, and what is the answer? That is 16 or not, you want to check it out. So here one thing you want to keep it in mind, whenever a decimal value which is added or subtracted or doing both the operations with any whole number will be resulted in decimal value. Say for example, decimal value plus whole number minus whole number, whatever it is, finally the result will be in decimal value. This is a logical way of thinking. So 8 into 4 by 3, which is 32 divided by 3, right? We can say that this 32 which is divided by 3, which is definitely going to be a decimal value, whatever it is, because 3 is not completely divisible in 32. So in such a case, you will be getting a decimal value. No need to make the clear cut value over here. Why? Because it is just time consuming. So decimal value plus minus whole number will be resulting in decimal value, but our aim is to get the whole number at the last. So option A, without making the perfect answer, you can say option A would be definitely wrong. So you can easily eliminate it. Moving on to the next option, 4 and 8. So here 8 is to be replaced with 4, 4 is to be replaced with 8, others remain same. Let's check whether the sum is equal to 16 or not. First of all, you want to take the division part. So 3 divided by 8, definitely you will be getting a decimal value. But multiplying with 4, you will be getting cancellation. So here 1, 2. So finally all these part together 3 by 2. 3 by 2 is a decimal value will give you 1.5. Then afterwards adding with 9 and subtracting with 5. No need to make the actual calculation. Why? Because you are not required to do for every correct answer for every option. Only you need to check this 16 is the correct answer or not. That is your work. So here 3 by 2 is 1.5 plus 9 minus 5 is not equal to 16. From this point I could get that. So I can say easily B is not the correct option. As option B being eliminated, we can move on to the option C, which says 5 and 3 should be replaced. So here instead of 3 I am writing 5, instead of 5 I am writing 3, others remain same. So I am going to check whether these things is equal to 16 or not. First of all, 5 divided by 4. I can write down 5 by 4. Afterwards multiplication is, in this multiplication 8 and 4 can be cancelled. Here I am getting 2. So this part is said to be 2 into 5, 10. That's all. Afterwards plus 9 minus 3. Now we got whole number, then 10 plus 9, 19 minus 3. Yes, 16 we got. So finally we can say option C is the right answer. 5 and 3 should be interchanged to get the answer 16. The third question, which says if division denotes multiplied by and plus denotes subtracted from, minus denotes added to, and multiplication denotes divided by, which of the following equation is true? In that 4 different equations are given, you will have to find which is correct. So let's start from option A, which is given. So here you want to change all the operators for this proper symbol. So here for plus I want to make minus. For multiplication I want to make division. For minus I want to make addition. Then I could get the answer. So remain the numbers are same. So whether which is equal to 201 or not, that is our work to make. So first of all 19 divided by 21, which is definitely going to be a decimal value. Let it be. So here whole number minus this fraction value plus 5. Just apply logical thinking. Any decimal value plus or minus with whole number, whether it will definitely give a decimal value or integer value. That is, decimal value is the only possibility. So 201 being a whole number, we can say this is definitely wrong. So you can directly say option A, eliminated. The next option B. Here also you want to replace with the actual meaning. So for multiplication you want to make it as division. For plus you want to make it as subtraction. For division you want to make it a multiplication. Remaining the numbers want to be written as such. So here which is equal to 37 or not. So here let's take 5 by 6, which is a fraction value I have directly taken here, which is 6 is not divisible in 5, right? So we have taken in such a way. Minus 4 into 3. 4 into 3 is what actually? You can take this multiplication first, which is 12. Whether which is equal to 37 or not. So here you want to, any subtracting of values or addition with whole numbers will definitely give you the fraction value here, which is given in terms of whole number. So you can, according to this logic, you can cancel this option. So option B is also eliminated. Moving on to the option C now. So here let's replace the operators first. So here for multiplication you want to make division. For addition you want to make subtraction. After that for division you want to make multiplication. First of all 6 divided by 3, that is 2. 2 minus 12 into 3, which is 36. 2 minus 36, which is not equal to 21. Why? Because minus 34 will be the result. Option C also ruled out. The final option D must be the correct one, as A, B and C are eliminated. However, we can also cross check this answer. So here multiplication should be replaced by division. And division should be replaced by multiplication. For minus, it should be replaced with addition. So here 18 divided by 6 into 8 plus 12 is equal to 36 or not. Let's check it out. So 18 by 6 is 3. 3 into 8 is 24. 24 plus 12, which is equal to 36. That is the exact answer. So my option D is correct. The next question, if division means plus, minus means division, and multiplication means minus, and plus means multiplication, then you want to find, first of all, you want to convert the actual meaning with the symbols. So here for multiplication you want to make subtraction. So let us do that first. So here this multiplication also want to be subtracted. So what is for this minus? Minus ought to be taken as divided by. So I can convert it into division. Here for plus, we can convert it into multiplication. This is to be converted. Here this plus can also be taken as multiplication. This minus is to be converted. So for multiplication, the respective operator is minus. So I can change it over here. And for minus, we want to make it division. So let us solve. So whenever you come across these kinds of problems, first of all, you want to solve the numerator part. Based on the values, you can come to the decidement of finding the final answer. So here, first of all, bracket is to be removed. 36 minus 4, what is the result? 32. Let it be divided by 8 minus 4. So only I am focusing on the numerator part at first. 32 divided by 8 is what actually? That is 4. 4 minus 4, 0. So however you are getting any value in the denominator part, when the numerator is having 0, final result is going to be 0. So don't waste your time in calculating both the sides. Take the first numerator part. If the numerator is 0, definitely the answer will become 0 while dividing with any other number. So based on this logic, I have done this quickly. The next problem, if L stands for addition, you can mark it like that. L stands for addition, M stands for subtraction, N stands for multiplication and O stands for division. Then you want to solve the expression 14N 10L 42 O 2M 8, which is equal to what? So this is the question. So here you want to substitute the operators with the alphabets. So for N you want to make multiplication, for L you want to make addition, for O you want to divide, for M you want to take subtraction. That's all. Now take the numbers 14 into 10 plus 42 divided by 2 minus 8. Simply you can apply the board mass rule now. First of all, this division part is to be considered. So 42, half of 42 is 21. So here after that multiplication, 14 into 10, 140 plus 21 minus 8. So here first of all you can add up, then subtract, or else directly you can take minus 8 together, then you get the answer. So here I am doing 161 minus 8, which is equal to 160 minus 7. Finally my answer is 153, which is given in the option D. The next question is 16 minus 4 within parenthesis into 6 divided by 2 plus 8 is equal to 30. So here this is not a correct equation. You want to take any one of the option, that is to be corrected one, and that option says the interchanging of the signs. So according to that, this answer will be the correct one. So how to make it is, just take the options one by one. So first option I have taken division and subtraction. So which means these are to be interchanged. So wherever you are getting division, which is to be taken as minus, and where you can see the minus, which is to be taken as division. Now let's solve it. 16 divided by 4 into 6 minus 2 plus 8, whether this is equal to 30 or not. So let's solve it first. First of all, division part, 16 divided by 4 is 4 into 6 minus 2 plus 8 is equal to 30 or not. So simply 4 into 6 is 24 minus 2 plus 8. So first of all 24 plus 8 you can take it, 32 minus 2 is 30. Yes, the 30 is correct. So we can say option A is the correct one. So no need to go with option B, C and D at all. The next question. In the following question, correct the equation by interchanging two signs. That is, you want to interchange the sign for this expression 6 plus 8 divided by 4 minus 4, which is equal to 8. This equation will be correct when you are applying any one of the option from the below. That is A, B, C or D it may be. So first of all I am going with option A. That's division and equal or to be interchanged first. So let's interchange. So this division is to be made as equal and this equal is to be made into division. So just check it out. This is equal and this is division, which means the expression is having two sides. That is, this is one of the side, that is left side, here which is right side. These two must be equal, then only you can say option A is right. What is 6 plus 8? 14 on the left side. In the right side, two operators are given, minus and division. So let's take 4 by 8, which is 1 by 2. 4 minus 1 by 2 is what? 3 and half simply. 14, which is not equal to 3 and half. So option A ruled out. As next, we can go to the second option, division and plus interchanging. So here for plus you want to make division, for division you want to make plus. Others remain same up to equal. So let me write the numbers as it is. Now what is the order of operation? 6 divided by 8 is 3 by 4 plus 4 minus 4, which is equal to 8. Here you can directly take 4 minus 4 is 0. So 3 by 4, which is not equal to 8, or else whenever you are go through any fraction value with added or subtracted with the whole number, definitely it will be resulted in decimal or fraction value, right? Here it is given in terms of whole number. So definitely it could be the wrong one. So option B ruled out. Moving on to the option C, division and subtraction interchanging. So here minus, here division. So write other values and symbols as it is. So whether it is equal to 8 or not, let's check it out. So here 4 divided by 4 is to be done first, which is 1. So 6 plus 8 minus 1, which is not equal to 8, because moreover that is 8 plus 6, 14 minus 1, 13. Higher value than that. Directly you can check it out and say option C is wrong. At last, we have come to the option D. As all the three are wrong, definitely D would be the right answer. However, as usual, we can recheck it. So here, plus and minus ought to be interchanged. Here minus, here plus, here division. Others are remaining same, including the division. So let's check it out. So first of all, 8 by 4, which is 2. 6 minus 2 plus 4, whether it is equal to 8? Yes. 6 plus 4, 10 minus 2, 8 here, 8 here. So option D is the correct one. Now it's your turn to answer the questions. It being given that greater than symbol denotes addition and less than symbol denotes subtraction, plus denotes division and minus denotes equal, equal denotes less than and multiplication denotes greater than. Find which of the following is the correct statement. 4 options are given in front of you. Just you can replace the symbols with their actual meanings and find out the correct answer only by applying the board mass principle. Second question, if multiplication stands for minus and division stands for plus, plus stands for division and minus stands for multiplication, which one of the following equation is correct? Applying the same rule, you can find the answer for this also. Third question, if 20 minus 10 means 200, 8 divided by 4 means 12 and 6 into 2 means 4, then 100 minus 10 into 1000 divided by 1000 plus 100 into 10 is equal to what? Here simply it is given in terms of the result. So 20 minus 10 means 200 means simply you can get 20 into 10 is 200, right? So here minus is to be interchanged with multiplication symbol. In such a way you want to sort out the actual meaning, and as the next step you can apply the board mass rule and find the answer. Give me your answer in the comment section below. Also you can find the answer in the description box link given below. Subscribe our channel for more upcoming sessions.